Hello guys. Here we have an HP with corrupted BIOS. This is the BIOS chip. I want to remove this BIOS chip and then reprogram it with a new working file. The BIOS files are called binary files. They are binary files. Okay, so you have to use a laptop model number and say maybe HP 250 G2 or G3 or G4, and then you say BIOS bin file download. You'll see there are a lot of websites, even forums, that are selling that are giving away the bin files free of charge. Everything is there online, guys. I won't lie to you, everything is there online. So let's go ahead. The first thing that you do, you remove the chip. Use a heat gun to remove the chip. Check out the chip. Okay, here we go. Once we are done, let's put the board aside. Okay, and then you plug in the BIOS chip here. Not sure if you can see. There it is. Okay, this is the BIOS. This is the one that I just removed. You can use any BIOS chip as long as they are the same size. Even if it's different brands, believe me, it does work. So now I don't know whether I should remove this BIOS here and then put this one, but again, as I was saying, guys, they all work. So yeah, as long as the same size, you check the size and you check the type, but again, it will work, I know. So what you need a programmer. This is my mini programmer, and then you need the chip, the BIOS chip, soldered here on this small board. Then what you do, you plug it in like this. This is it. You plug it in like this, and then you close the clip. I'm not sure if you can see. You close the clip. Once you close the clip, then you plug this BIOS chip into a working PC so that you'll be able to program the chip with a working file. Let's go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm plugging it into my PC. Now it's plugged in. Okay, so what you do, you go to your files, you go to where you downloaded the file. I think my file it's here on a desktop, I'm not sure. Okay, anyway, sorry about that. Let's go to our desktop to open the application or the program. It's here on my Google Drive. Which one should we use? Let's use the Black Edition to run the application. After running the application, you press the text here. Press the text. Automatically it will detect the chip. Okay, once you are done with that, you say read. You have to read the file. Why you have to read? Why it's so important to read? So that in case if there's something wrong with your new BIOS file, or maybe you try some downloaded BIOS files but they don't work, you can still go back to your old backup BIOS. Okay, so in my case, I'm not gonna do that. So what you do, you say you press read here. You're pressing read. Once it's done reading the chip, it will load here until 100%. Once it's done, you say save. You save that file. Maybe you say HP 250 G3 or G4, and then you say backup, and then you save it somewhere, maybe to your desktop or to your documents. Just save it so that you will have a backup file. But in my case, I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna go ahead and say erase. Okay, it's done erasing the chip. We have to make sure that the chip has been erased. It's blank, it's empty. So you go here to blank, then you wait. It will check. Okay, okay guys, it's done. It says chip blank. Okay, I guess this is it. Okay, now what you do, you press open here, and then you go to where you downloaded or where you save the downloaded file. Here in my case, this is the one, and then I'll just press open. Once the file has been opened, now you just press program. Press program. And then you wait for it until it's done, until it reaches 100% here. Okay guys, it's done. As you can see here, it's 100%. So it's done writing the files on the chip. So what you do, you press here on verify. Now we are verifying if everything has been done proper. There's no error. We're checking everything. So just wait for it until it's done verifying. It's gonna count from 0 up to 100%. As you can see here, it's counting. Okay, it's done. Hope you can see here it says cheaper, cheap, and buffer size and buffer same. Yeah, and you know it is Chinese guys, but anyway, they did a very good job here. Chinese people are the best, I'm telling you. Yeah, anyway, you press exit. This is it. This is how you program the BIOS chip. Let's go back here. This is it. You remove it, pull up this this thing. You can see, pull it up, and then you remove the clip. Here we have a clip. So what you do, you take your guy here to assist you. Give this chip to him to hold while you come with hot air. Okay, here we go. Have the chip out. Check back the port. Okay, to align the chip along with the port. I'm starting. Okay, this is the past. So now let me just show it to you. Nothing was bent. Hope you can see this is just a plastic. Been doing this for years, so nothing was bent. Even this thing wasn't bent, nothing was bent. Everything is just perfect. Okay, this is how you program it. This is how you do everything step by step. Anyway, I hope you are learning. Press the subscribe button now. Don't forget to press the subscribe button now. Just do it now.